everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now. This channel is definitely going to be very helpful for you, so make sure to subscribe. Also turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any update or opportunity from the channel. And do join us at our Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is provided in the description itself. So in this video, I'm going to talk about two wonderful opportunities for 2018, 2019, 2020 and 21 pass out. So make sure to watch the complete video so that there is no such doubt in your mind. In case of any doubt, you can comment down and I will definitely try to reply you back. So the first opportunity that we are having is from Bitwise. As you can see here, so this is about Bitwise, that Bitwise leverages its deep technological expertise to develop solutions for their clients' most complex business problems. So Bitwise is hiring for multiple roles. As you can see, it is looking for Java developer, full stack developer and PL/SQL developer. Selection process is online assessment, then technical interview and final interview, then HR interview. Important guidelines they have mentioned that after online test, shortlisted candidates must be available for a further online interview process. Right, so after online test you will be shortlisted, and then after you have to be available for an online interview process. Candidates should be available for immediate joining. So this is the opportunity for immediate joiner. They are looking for an immediate joiner basically. And based on job description, the test has various sections and subsections in the test under different skill categories. You can attempt all the topics, subtopics in accordance to your test score. Okay, so guidelines before taking the online assessment, they have mentioned that please keep your resume ready. It is mandatory to upload the resume during registration. And sure to update your graduation, 12th and 10th score in percentage and not in CGPA. Test duration mentioned is 2 hours long. Ensure that you have ample amount of time to complete the test at one go. Please go through the instructions carefully before taking the test. For more details, you can see here for Java developer. So this is full-time employment and the CTC offered is 3,84,000 and job location they have mentioned is Pune, Maharashtra, India. Right, so here you can see required skill set is Core Java, Spring Boot, Unix, Shell Script, SQL and REST services. Now who will be eligible for this particular opportunity? So individual who will have following skills and work on. So it's not important that you will be having all the skills, but if you can work on, then that's also good. So strong in Core Java, good understanding of Unix Shell Script, good understanding of Spring Boot and REST services, good in programming, logical and analytical thought process, good communication skill. Eligibility they have mentioned BTech and BE students, graduation year 2020, 2018, 2019, 2021. Eligibility criteria, so here you can see secondary education 60%, 60%. So they want overall 60%, right? Streams eligible are computer science and engineering, information technology, and these are the required skills mentioned here. And here you can see about full stack developer as well. So this is about full stack developer, right? And this is the PLSQL developer. So here they are looking for required skill is PLSQL, and this is something mentioned regarding PLSQL. So you can go through the ones according to the requirement. And here you can see that online test is going to, that online test has been started from 19th of April and it will be ended to 23rd of April. So make sure to register as soon as possible, right? And also do share this video with your friends as well so that even they can know about this wonderful opportunity. Now what you have to do here, so you have to enter your email ID here and you have to verify your email. Then you have to provide your full name, contact number, graduation, college, degree, branch, stream and so, and you have to choose the job role you are applying for. So accordingly, according to your skill set, you can choose any of them. And do you agree to join immediately? If shortlisted, then you have to go for yes only. And if you are having any kind of previous work experience, so you can mention this as well and then simply click on submit, right? So this is the wonderful opportunity for 2018, 19, 20 and 21 pass outs, and last date is 23rd April for the online assessment. So make sure to attempt the test before this, right? And do share this video with your friends, with your seniors as well, right? Let's talk about another opportunity. So another opportunity that we are having is from Atos. As you can see, this is the information regarding Atos. About Atos graduate recruitment program, so they have mentioned upon clearing the process of selection, candidate will be offered a letter of intent to join training and assessment program Training and assessment program will be managed by ATOS for a duration of 2 months. Training and assessment program will be completely virtual, so you don't have to go anywhere, and it can be taken from personal laptop, desktop, mobile tablets. Upon successful completion of your training and assessment program, further final selection by ATOS, a separate appointment letter will be issued to you with grade position along with the details of CTC. So job role is as of now, that is trainee. Job location is Pune and Chennai. Candidates need to be flexible to work on any of the location where ATOS is present in India. Roles and responsibilities, they have mentioned that candidates will be working in the field of infrastructure and data management. Candidates will be working in the areas of networking, database, cloud services, Windows operating system, digital workplace, other IT infrastructure technology. ATOS will hold the right to allocate technology domain of work upon joining. Skill expectations mentioned are understanding on infrastructure concepts, understanding on ITIL process, good communication and positive attitude. Now there is 2 year service agreement applicable. For BE BTech, the CTC is 3.1 LPA. For BSc BCA, the CTC is 2.3 LPA. For MSc MCA, the CTC is 2.5 LPA, and this is how it is going. The eligibility criteria, they have mentioned that only 2020 and 2021 passing students from ITCS electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation, or any electronics related specialization can apply. No active backlog should be there. Candidates should have minimum of 60% aggregate throughout academics, including degree. Only 1 year gap is allowed between 12th and graduation. Any other gap isn't allowed. Only Indian nationals can apply. Right, so just by clicking here apply now, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Make sure to apply and share the video with your friends as well, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Do subscribe right now and also be a part of our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.